Hi everybody, it's Cindy the Scrapologist. Thanks for coming back to my channel. I have a $1 item, digi item, that I'm throwing in my shop today, and I thought I'd show it to you. This is something that I made for myself, and I'm using it so much I thought that you would probably love it too. My husband restores and refurbishes vintage typewriters as part of his little retro electro business that he has. He restores vintage audio equipment and stuff like that too. And the intent is to sell them, but he ends up loving it after he fixes it and keeps it. So we have a gazillion vintage typewriters. We have a collection now, which is fine with me. I love them too. So I picked out one that had my favorite font. I'll show you a picture of the typewriter here. And he told me how old it was, and I forgot. I should have reminded myself. I should have asked him before I started videoing this. But this is a collection of public domain quotes that speak to me, that I use quite a bit. There's some related to love, there's some related to just a way to be in life, and I just really love them. You'll get two. You have one on white paper, so if you want to print it yourself onto coffee stain paper, you can do that. Or if you want to use a little more ink and have it printed so that it already looks like it's coffee stained paper, you'll get this. I'm scanning this in for you too. So let me show you some of the sayings. I'll read them to you. Hopefully this will focus. Two from F. Scott Fitzgerald. I love her, and that's the beginning and end of everything. And then the world only exists in your eyes. You can make it as big or as small as you want. My favorite is this one here. It's impossible, said pride. It's risky, said experience. It's pointless, said reason. Give it a try, whispered the heart. I love that one. And another little love-related one. They slipped briskly into an intimacy from which they never recovered. So nice. Mary Oliver, tell me, what is it you plan to do with your one wild and precious life? Robert Frost, a poem begins as a lump in the throat, a sense of wrong, a homesickness, a lovesickness. Hans Christian Andersen, just living is not enough. One must have sunshine, freedom, and a little flower. Sorry, I'm trying to hold this up and not shake it around too much. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. That's Ralph Waldo Emerson. Some people walk in the rain, others just get wet. Roger Miller. It is easily overlooked that what what is what is now called vintage was once brand new. I just found a typo. It's a good thing I was reading these to you. That was is now. Darn it. Do you know how hard it is to type on that typewriter? Because there's no backspace and autocorrect. I'm gonna have to go and redo that, but I'll make sure there's no typos on it when I go ahead and upload it onto my Etsy shop. So it's $1 for two of them, digital download. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. And now I'm gonna go off and retype this whole dang thing again. Okay, see you later. Bye.